It's a lovely evening and we are expecting to have a cracker of a match here.
The surface has good bounce. The batters might enjoy the carry, but sometimes one ball can surprise you with that extra lift. The captain has opted to bat first after winning the toss.
These players will be taking the field today. Both teams look balanced and eager to perform.
Ladies and gents, please stand up for the national anthems.
Welcome everyone to this wonderful venue. We have the umpires walking out with the new ball in their hand. Openers walking in and the crowd cheering in anticipation. The bowler has the new ball. We're all set to go for the first ball of the innings. Beautiful shot by the batsman. That's 4 more. That's an amazing shot. Beautiful timing. He's not going to miss out on those. Shot. That's an excellent cricket shot. He gets 4 for it. He's too good a player not to take advantage of anything loose. Edge, but lands in a no man's land. He deserved a wicket there. Well, that's close. The bowler thinks he's out. Batsman takes the long walk back to the pavilion. The batsman must be kicking himself after that run out. Hammered away for 4. Good placement. The crowd is enjoying every bit of this action. Good pickup shot this. Has that gone for a 6? Yes, it has. I tell you what, the slow ball won't be a bad option on this pitch. Oh, that's the beauty of a delivery. The bowler really unlucky to not get an edge on that one. Spinner brought into the attack. And the batting power play comes to an end. Not a great ball, and that has been hammered. Terrific shot. There's such a wonderful crowd in to watch their favorite players. Found the gap beautifully, and that races away to the boundary again. Slim pickings at the moment. The batsmen need to up the gear a bit. Beautiful bowling, hitting the right legs. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. That's a beauty. The batsman had to play at that one. Batsman losing his concentration there. Exceptional. What a catch. Full marks for the catch. Looks frustrated as he takes a long walk back to the pavilion. Last ball coming up. Pushed in the gap. Batsman will look to get some valuable runs here. End of the first inning won't be long before we resume this thrilling contest. The fielding side looks warmed up and ready to go. Pace bowler into the attack. This is impressive captaincy, giving his bowler an attacking field. Now that looks handsome. It certainly is a huge six. Don't think the bowlers have been able to hit the right length consistently. That is glorious. Perfect timing and placement. The crowd is enjoying every bit of this action. Good shot for a single. Good shot, but cannot get it past the fielder. Turned away for a single. Well, the captain has been very smart with his bowling changes. Very good running between the wickets. Oh, that's lovely timing, the ball racing to the boundary. Well, the captain has decided taking the pace of the ball is a good way to go. Well, that brings us to the end of the power play. Fielding captain can now have more fielders outside the inner circle. Well placed into the gap, possible too. Short leg in. Expect some short stuff from the bowler. Missing his line there, wide signalled. Long leg in place. Expect some chin music from the bowler. Good shot by the batsman. Can they steal a second here? Excellent running between the wickets. Cracking delivery, almost unplayable. The batsman should watch the ball closely and get in line at the ball. Played into the gap, should be able to run two here. Very well played, just working on the field where the gaps are. Good shot by the batsman. Can they steal a second here? Last ball coming up. Good shot for a single. Came around quickly to cover the throw. That looks close. Slight mix-up, but I think he's back in. The umpire thinks otherwise. This has been an impressive performance. They got just about everything right today. A well-deserved win.